Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys, and it's basically gifts that I am giving to my daughter and daughter-in-law. So Julie and Monique, if you're watching right now, you should probably turn this off because you'll see your Christmas presents. But they both have their own kitchens, so what I like to give them is something practical and pretty, but that they can really use and really enjoy. And one of the things that I have found over the years in my own kitchen is the greatest hand towels going. These hand towels are from Sonoma, and I have used them for years, and they're the best towels for absorbency, and they just retain their absorbency and their strength year after year after year, and they're so excellent quality. So I'm going to show you, I ordered some stuff from Sonoma. I'm just going to take it out of the box as you're going to see it as I see it, and you can see there's another thing that I ordered for my daughter-in-law, and they are just moving into their newly, they put an addition on the house, so they've been out of the house for months. So they're going to be moving into their home soon, and I was asking her what she might like, and one of the things she said was a cutting board. So on Cyber Monday, I went out to Sonoma. I went out to Sonoma's website and picked up a really nice cutting board, so I'm excited to see. And granted, it was expensive, but I'm gonna see what it looks like and see if it was worth the money that I spent. Normally I wouldn't buy a cutting board like that from Sonoma, but I wanted it to be something really special for her going into her new kitchen. So yeah, take a look at the stuff with me, and I really couldn't recommend Sonoma dish towels any more than I am saying right now, because they are awesome. They're the best dish towels I have ever used. So I'm going to open this box, and they really oh, okay, so it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. They had a little pull tab here. All right. And they really do a nice job with the way that they package things. It's really kind of high class. These are a package of 4. My daughter loves yellow, so I got her some yellow ones. And my daughter-in-law's kitchen has got gray cabinets, beautiful, beautiful. So I got her some gray ones. And these were not on sale on the Cyber Monday. I think they were $19.99 for 4. They do not have a price tag on here, but I will link them below. And as you can see, I suppose I could take them out of the package. I don't know if you'll be able to tell by looking at it on the video, but the quality is simply fantastic. And they literally are the best hand towels that I have ever used in terms of being absorbent and really giving you a good tool in the kitchen. So Sonoma, they don't know me. They're not giving me anything for saying that. I just literally really love them. So that's that. And then the board. And the cutting board is nice and decent size. And it has the little well here for when you're cutting meats. It's lightweight. I thought it was going to be very heavy because it's big. It's 20 inches by 15 inches. And it's not. It's nice. It's nice and light. and easy to pick up. It's got the little Williams Sonoma engraved on it, so it's kind of cool and kind of high class. So yeah, this is going to be perfect. It's nice and big. She can handle it very easily, and if she wants to store it on her counter, it's a high-end piece. So if you have someone in your life that you want to gift with something that they will love for years to come, and actually love how it works in their kitchen and how it works and helps them in their everyday chores, you definitely want to look into these Williams Sonoma dish towels. Not the small, they have a smaller size that's kind of like these are the regular size dish towel. I'll actually show you mine, and that way I don't want to take these apart because I think they look so pretty and I'm going to gift them like this. But I will show you mine, and I have had mine for, I can't even say how many years, a long time. So I'm going to show you mine. So these are some of mine, and they have probably got stains on them, but they are tried and true, and you can find these on sale, the different colors that aren't huge sellers. Like this one I think I got on sale. But in any event, they are great quality and I love them. And I know that my daughter and daughter-in-law are going to love them too. So it's an excellent Christmas gift. And I think, now don't quote me, and I'm not 100% sure because I've only seen this on her show in the background, but I believe the Pioneer Woman might use these as well. They looked like the Williams Sonoma towels when I was watching one of her cooking shows. So Williams Sonoma kitchen towels, dish towels. What is this actually called? Kitchen towel. So in case you want to make sure, which I'll link them below, but they are the kitchen towel because they do have a smaller size. You don't want to mistakenly get the smaller size. So that's this video. It's a short one, but I thought that it was good for an idea for a possible Christmas gift. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. I do videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and usually my Friday video is more of a weekend kind of a thing. But yeah, I do a bunch of different things on this channel, from DIYs to cooking recipes, trying recipes, and doing my own at-home manicures, DIY manicures with Impress and Kiss nails. So I hope that you will come back. So if you've already subscribed to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by again. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.